What's up, Kentwood? Today is Friday, September 26th. I'm Amma.
And I'm Blair. And you're watching Kong TV.
Keep on calling. She said she ready to pull up. As soon as I get there, I'ma put her on the floor nails.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
I'm getting kind of hungry. What's cooking?
Now over to Zoe with the lunch report.
I'm here with
Debbie.
And what's for lunch today?
It is pulled barbecued turkey. And then we've got pizza. We've got cheeseburgers, delis, big salads. And that's pretty much it. Would you like to take a trip back and see how we prep things behind the scenes?
Yes, please. Okay, let's go.
We're going to do a quick bypass on the pizza here. This is how we cook the pizza. This is how we stage it. Back here is where we keep our pizza. We stage our fries. That's all ready for tomorrow. And then back over here, we have our good lunch for tomorrow. And then in the back, everything is ready. We got breakfast set up, and it's all ready to go. Yum, yum, yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
College application has opened, and it will close November 15th. On October 2nd, our Kentwood UW admissions rep will be here providing a workshop. If you are interested, then make sure you RSVP for this unique opportunity. RSVP is required to be dismissed from class.
Are you ready to become an Eagle? You can take the first step at EWU on-site admissions. This is your chance to sit down with an EWU admissions advisor for a one-on-one to receive admission decision on the spot. RSVP is required in the link.
Somewhere around here.
It's in there. What's up, Kentwood? We're going to go around asking some of your fellow Kongs what they did over the summer. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
Who am I here with today?
Mr. Erickson.
And what did you do over the summer?
We went to football camp at Central Washington University, and we won the 5-on-5 competition with our JV and with our varsity, and we had several MVPs. Pretty exciting time.
Go Kongs.
Hey guys, I'm here with
Kyoko.
Oh, how greatness. Okay, something you missed over the summer, something that you did fun.
Something I missed over the summer is a lot of sun, and I actually went to Europe over the summer.
Hi Kentwood, welcome back. Who am I here with?
Nevaeh.
Ruby. And what did you guys do over the summer?
Gymnastics practice.
I went camping with my boyfriend.
Ooh, family vacation. It's serious.
Today I'm here with Melanie. So what's one thing that was fun you did over the summer?
Hang out with my friends, guys, and going out.
Hello guys, welcome back to another interview. Today I'm here with
AJ.
What's one thing that was fun that you did over the summer?
One thing I did over the summer was make a lot of clothes and spend a lot of time with family.
Who are we here with?
Mr. Webb. I'm one of your assistant principals here at Kentwood.
And what's something fun you did over the summer?
I spent a lot of time with my family up at a cabin in the mountains.
That's very fun.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Computer you use. Anything else is like going to the store, taking the disc and walking out the door. It's called thieving, stealing, taking what's not yours. That stealing, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours. That stealing, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours. That stealing, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours. That stealing, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours, taking what's not yours. That I don't really know if she cares or not. All I know is she left a lot of stuff in my apartment. She's never getting it out. Has her smell of a pillow face. Her cigarettes might stink like a Roman Colosseum. They can't hear you though. I'm excited.
AP students. Students who wish to take AP exams or submit portfolios will be able to pay those fees beginning September 22nd. For more information, please see the Kentwood AP FAQs page. Contact Ms. Hill for more information. Do it.
I'm here with
Mr. Dujmovic.
Why did you want your students to build the go-karts?
The go-karts was a original idea for me since the beginning of the year. I want them to have a hands-on experience and to apply all the knowledge that they learn in class to put it all together so they can work in teams and actually build something fun that they can enjoy.
And what do you hope they learn from this experience?
I hope they learn how to work in teams, how to follow instructions, and how to solve issues that they encounter during the building process. And at the end of the day is to have fun. That was the main idea, for them to have fun.
It's the time to order your Kentwood yearbook. You can purchase online or pay at the cashier window. It is $60 with ASB and $75 without ASB. Sale ends on December 19th. And if you have any questions, contact Mr. Taylor.
That's it for today, Kentwood.
It's great to be alive.
It's great to be a Kong.
So this is your chance to sit down with an EW admissions advisor for a one-on-one and receive an admissions decision